The glory of the rising sun is often compared to this splendid, beautiful flower, hibiscus. Hibiscus is offered to Lord Ganesha and Ma Durga because they signify strength and power of subconscious mind. I am Pratiksha here and welcome back to Garden Vibes. Today I am going to talk about how to grow and care most famous, versatile and incredibly appealing hibiscus plant. Hibiscus plant is fit for every gardener. Hibiscus have breathtaking range of flower color with glossy elegant leaves. Growing hibiscus plant is fairly simple process, but you will need to follow some basic tricks to make hibiscus bloom continuously. So let's begin with first element. Sunlight is the source of energy for any plant. Hibiscus loves warm temperature. Make sure your plants get several hours of direct sunlight each day to keep them blooming. You can grow hibiscus in a shade, but they won't bloom without at least 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight every day. I kept all my hibiscus plants in this east facing balcony where they get morning sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Too much direct sunlight during summer is also not good for hibiscus plant, so try to keep hibiscus in an area where they will get filtered less intense sunlight during summer. Coming to the next element, which is earth. In case of plant, it is soil and fertilizer. You can grow hibiscus in a light medium soil which has rich organic compost, some amount of coco peat and sand. Coco peat helps to retain moisture in the soil, and mixing of sand or perlite will help for a better drainage. Addition of compost or vermicompost will help for healthy and fast growth of the plant. Banana peels contain that nutrients which are essential for healthy plants. As they decompose, banana peels add potassium as well as nitrogen, phosphorus and magnesium to the soil in a similar fashion as a slow release fertilizer. So you can add chopped or whole banana peels directly into the soil. I would like to recommend one product known as Bloom Buddy. You can easily buy this product from Amazon. Link is given in the description box. Bloom Buddy Organic Growth Booster is a unique combination of organic plant inputs derived from potash ash, poultry manure, biofertilizers, which is an ideal plant food. It enhances plant growth and improves the flowering. This product has all the organic content which help to promote flowering continuously. Hibiscus needs lots of water, especially during the warmest month when they are blooming. Check the soil moisture each day by touching the top of the soil. If it feels dry, your plant needs to be watered. If it feels damp and slightly spongy, the soil is wet enough. Hibiscus need to be pruned regularly. Remove all weak growth and any branches that are growing sideways. Keep 3 to 4 sturdy main branches. By doing this, your plant will look healthy and it will help to stimulate new blooms. Bud or blossom drop in hibiscus is also a very common problem we all face. Is usually due to pest problem, and the most common culprit is thrips. And if pest doesn't seem to be present, bud drop can also be a signal of poor health due to improper watering or feeding or sudden change in the weather. Pest in hibiscus. Aphids, mealybugs are the most common pest that attacks hibiscus. To get rid of this, you can spray neem oil directly on the infected surface of the plant. An oil extracted from the seed of the neem tree is a powerful natural insecticide capable of disturbing the life cycle of insects at all stages. You can make neem oil spray by adding 2 teaspoons neem oil and 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap shaken thoroughly with ml of water and then spread on the affected plant foliage. Soap helps to remove the sticky extraction of mealybugs and neem oil helps to control the pest. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video helpful anyways, go ahead and give thumbs up. It always supports the channel to grow. For more interesting plant images and information, follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video. Till then, happy gardening.